Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to convert a PDF file into simple text or text file. For this you have to right click on the file and click open with and choose a default program. In default program you have to click on MS Word desktop. After you have clicked on msword desktop, it will automatically convert PDF file text into simple text or MS Word file text. As you can see in the video, the MS Word is converting PDF file into text, and in this video you can see the PDF file text is simply now a simple text, and you can edit it as you can. So the next method to convert a simple text of PDF file into plain text is you have to open a new MS Word blank document, and you have to insert a blank document in MS Word. After the blank document has opened, you have to go to insert. In insert, you can easily find insert an object. In insert an object, under the object you can easily find text from file. If you select a specific PDF file, the home you want to text in simple form, you have to select that file. As you can see in the video, when you select that file, the text from that PDF file will be converted into simple plain text whom you can easily edit. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.